Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be making grass-fed beef burgers. I got these at Publix on sale. Thought I'd try them, eat a little healthier. So I am going to put it in the air fryer for 16 minutes. Flip over halfway. And I'm going to do 2 at a time, and I'm going to put my seasonings. I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back. I season my burgers front and back with a dash of garlic powder, adobo, and sazon. There you go. I'm gonna set up the air fryer, the time. It'll be 370 for 16 minutes. And these are fresh, they're not frozen. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I put my burgers in the basket. I also spray some Pam on the bottom. It usually doesn't stick, but I just want to be safe than sorry. I'll be right back, set up the time. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. Our burgers are sizzling. We're gonna flip them over and give it another 8 minutes. I'll be right back. Alright, our burgers are done, ready to go. 16 minutes, flip at 8 minutes, 370, ready to go. Alright, let me set it all up. Put the cheese on top.